Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide our last active on Instagram. Let's get started. Here I have my Instagram opened, and the first thing we're going to do is click on profile button right here. Then we can click on this button on the top right corner of our screen. Then we just need to click on settings and privacy, and we can scroll down until we find messages and story replies, and it's right here. Just tap on it, and we can click on show activity status, and we can click on this toggle button to turn off our activity status, and just tap on it. And now our last active on Instagram will be hidden, and that's all the way to hide our last active on Instagram. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.